Yes. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, our team developed a product named Symptom Tracker. Here is our team: Artur Redko, it's me, Artem Kazhemyaka, Vadim Nesterov, and Sergey Khokhatlan. The user and the problem. Our program is aimed at middle-aged users who take care of their health, or to the users who also have some problems with their health and they could not determine their own condition and what is going on with them. They understand that something sick is going on with them, that they are sick, but why and what is happening they could not understand. The example is, for example, someone had problems with his stomach, and he could not understand why. He has this problem after eating, for example, but what food is dangerous for him, he could not understand. And we developed our product to solve this problem and provide to these users an option to track their own symptoms, uh, to memorize them, and then to maybe to show to the doctor all the symptoms and track the situation. For example, if the situation is going better or is getting worse. Like watching a statistic of how often they had, for example, a headache. And they can, for example, manage that a month ago they had very often a headache, and they can remember that at this time they had maybe a serious project that was very stressful for them, and they can understand this using our program. We created this program using a Unity and engine. Yes, and we developed it for the first to Android platform in APK format. And then we tested this program on some users, my classmates, and received some uh, feedback. There is a screen of this program. From this program, and some users were saying that this design is very simple, but it is the first design of our app, but we will do another one. Also, there was some problems with that it wasn't understandable in some cases, but generally they like this program. In the future, we plan to expand the circle of users, improve app design, add unique functions for unique problems like diabetes, like, for example, to control a sugar level, and simple and another unique diseases for people to help them to track this disease. Also, the ability to customize the functionality to add functions what the user needs, and remove functions that they don't need to use. And then to advertise our product through different social networks, create a site for this app and company, add the application to the Play Market, and add the ability to create an account to be able to access it from different devices. Okay, and now I will show you this product. I can also show you that we also have APK version of this program. Here it is. I can open and it works. I can work with it, and it works. But I'll show you it on my computer in a better quality. Here is some nodes. We can add another node, for example, a simple node. I'll type the time, today's time, then oh, second node. Yes, we can choose it, and yes, here it is. It's a second node. I also can uh, find some nodes. For example, if I want to watch only food, I can remove another filters and watch only a food nodes. Or for example, for a day, today is 30. And watch for today's symptoms. Yes, it is basic functionality. In the future, we will add new functions like a statistic. Now it's not working, but in the future we will add it the option to yes, to more easily track these symptoms and another things.
All right, thank you for your presentation. I guess we have to pass on to the question part. Yeah, so I can see a hand up from Sasha. Yes, please.
I'm sorry, that might be a very dumb question, but I'm very much confused on why did you use the Unity engine? Once again, I'm not a tech specialist, but from what even I know, Unity is a game engine. Please, colleagues, please correct me if I'm wrong, but like, why Unity?
Because it's very it has some functions to create the buttons, to create for example, the scroll. This one I can show you just to scroll. Yes, because it's have a lot of very useful functions, so I don't need to create them for myself. And also I can do APK very easily, just to yes, here go, and there is build sentence, just to click on this button and I have APK version of my program. But I also can create a game on this engine, but also with the UI functions create a program.
Was it really the easiest solution, or were you just more familiar with that?
What?
Was it really the easiest solution, or were you just personally more familiar with that?
I think it was easiest solution for me, maybe, and for some my mates from the team.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, because it has a lot of functions that I can use in my project.
All right, thank you. Another question from Andre.
Yeah, thanks for your presentation, guys. So I have rather an advice than a question. So regarding the dates, I think it's more useful and easier for users to take a note in a free form, like I had boiled eggs for breakfast at 9 a.m. on Friday, and you automatically just takes the date and the text and parse it and show in appropriate form instead of asking user to specifically enter a date. And I think it also relates to previous presentations for like clubs and appointments. So yeah.
Yes, I can also add a button to tap on it and add real time that it's now. It's much. Thanks for the advice.
All right, and now there is another hand. I think this is the last question from our tutor, Artur. You're welcome.
Yes, hi, thank you for your presentation. I would like to ask a question about data security and how you are going to secure the personal data of your users, or maybe your business model includes selling this data to any pharmaceutical companies and so on.
The question was how I store information, yes?
Yes, are you going to secure it, or maybe you want to sell it to pharmaceutical companies or someone
Ah,
else?
Now we are storing this information on user's phone. If I delete this app, I think all information will be lost. Yes, but it's more easiest because I don't have to pay for some servers to keep this information online. And if the user will lost this information, it will be only his problems. If he will install some viruses on his smartphone, it will be only his problem. But if our server will be attacked, it will be our problem.
All right, I hope that gives a reply to your question, Arthur. Thank you so much. All right, high tech team, thank you for sharing your project with us today.